So, good evening, everyone. So, I will be teaching on a topic trauma. In positive psychology, what is trauma? Two topics I will be teaching today, trauma and resilience. But first, I will be teaching on trauma. What is trauma? Now, let's say trauma. Trauma. If you hear that thing, what comes to your mind? What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear trauma? What I call Trauma. Trauma. In positive psychology, in psychology, what is trauma? Something will come. People just say, "Oh, I passed through trauma." Maybe you have been passing through, maybe what you passed through. Even those, especially those that passed through Libya, what they experienced there. Is that can they express themselves when I was in Libya, I passed through trauma? Now let's see what is trauma. Trauma is the experience of several psychological distress following any terrible of life-threatening event. Those things that you pass through, heartbreak, those heartbreak, they can be you can be addressed as trauma. Can yes. Let somebody in Libya that passed through emotional torture, threat, life threat, they can be addressed as trauma. What is this trauma? Trauma is the individual ability to integrate his or her emotional experience is overwhelm a threat of life, body, and integrity. Something that will affect your integrity, something that will affect your body, like say now, relationship, relationship, somebody breaking your trust. Two people in a relationship, partnership, at the end of the day, somebody breaking your trust, the trust you are by cheating. Many people pass through trauma when they receive that thing, cheating. Trauma, we say traumatic life, passing through traumatic life, traumatic event. Like those soldiers that went to war, inside they see people be killed, innocent people, the young or old people be killed, death around them. They pass through trauma, psychological trauma, what we call psychological trauma, traumatic. Now, a traumatic event or situation created psychological trauma when it evolved, overwhelmed the individual's ability to cope. You overwhelm the individual ability to cope the situation and leave that person fearing death. See that fearing death. When you pass through that, you see somebody, your present, your fellow soldier, be shot dead. That thing will shock you. It will shock you. Leave that person fearing death, and you say an annihilation, mutilation, and mutilation. So the individual may feel emotionally, cognitively, and physically overwhelmed. Just like physically distressed, emotionally. People shedding tears. Oh, my fellow soldier man are being killed. Oh, in Libya, those people, immigrants that pass through Mediterranean, seeing their fellow people dead, lifeless body. The Sahara Desert, passing through Sahara Desert, maltreatment of an individual in that country like Nigeria when they were protesting, in the shooting in the toll gate, it can be expressed as trauma. People pass through emotional pain, cognitively, psychologically, physically. Shooting in Lagos State in Nigeria, that shooting that take place in 2020 in Nigeria can be addressed as trauma. People pass through traumatic ways in that area, psychological trauma. Now, talking about this common, in these circumstances, the circumstances of this event commonly including abuse of power, like the way Nigeria, Africa president did, Africa government, they abuse their power, like the way your employee normally did, like the way they are doing. Before they will employ you, they will say, okay, they must have carnal knowledge with that person, because if it is a female, if she is beautiful, they will say, let me have a carnal knowledge. Those people, they pass through trauma, like raping somebody. He say abuse of power, betrayal of trust. I said that before, betrayal of trust. Two partner working together, at the end of the day, you betray that person by stabbing that person in the back. That person will pass through trauma. That can cause trauma, traumatic life. Two, a boy and a girl into serious relationship, you have already engaged that girl. At the time you say, I'm no longer interested. Or you went ahead to cheat on that is betrayal of trust. That person, that thing can result to psychological trauma. It's a entrapment, happiness, pain, and confusion. And last, lose of something. If you, let's say people that, those customs, they don't know what they are doing to people. They are causing trauma to people, traumatic life to people, psychological trauma. Because somebody we wanted to import goods, and we order goods worth up to 50 container, 45 feet container. You will seize the goods without looking to that person, what will happen to that life. You seize that good, you're already taking a life, because that person will be passing psychological trauma. That might be the last kobo he have, the last income he invested on that business. That can cause psychological trauma. Lose of property, confusion. Somebody confused, okay, I'm confused of what I will do. Either I will study social science, social work, or I will go for medicine. You know, anything, trauma, you will be passing emotional distress. That is trauma. So you can as well subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be teaching my next topic now, which I will be teaching, deal with now, will be on resilience. All right, thank you.